What is going on YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random, and in today's video, we are going to be installing a Mach 1 chin spoiler on the Crown Victoria. Now, installation of this thing is actually quite simple. I highly recommend that you actually take the bumper cover off to do this, but it's kind of secured there very good. It's not coming out anywhere. It's going to be a lot harder to take it off. The other option is we actually jack up the car, put it onto a jack stance, lift it up, get under there, and it's still just as easy to install. Now, the reason I went with a Mach 1 chin spoiler instead of just like a universal like chin lip or whatever you want to call it, it's because the Mach 1 chin spoiler actually has a bit of a wider, and it's actually a lot longer of a profile. And hear this out. Hear this? Watch. This thing is solid as solid gets. Once it's installed on the Crown Victoria, it's not only going to make it look a lot more aggressive, but it's actually going to make it look a lot lower. So like I said, installing this thing, super easy. All you really need is a drill, and it actually includes the hardware as well. If you like the way this thing looks at the end of the video, check the link in the description down below. I left a link where you can get yourself a Mach 1 chin spoiler. It comes off the 2001 Mustang Mach 1. You bet your ass it'll fit the Crown Vic as well, though. So the only thing left to do is to install it. So here we go. Alright guys, so this thing was actually a lot more complicated and a lot harder than I thought. Essentially, I'm used to the old universal lip spoiler, whatever you want to call it. And all you got to do is pretty much use self-tapping screws to drill them in. As you can see, though, I mean, it's coming along excellent. The reason it's kind of a little late in the game is because I had to charge my camera because it was dying. But essentially, I'm going to show you guys how to do it while I'm still finishing up this side. And as we get under the car, as you guys can see, all the way down, you see the screws all the way down. What you do is, at least what I did is, I used some duct tape and I presented the chin spoiler essentially where I wanted it, kind of the angle that I wanted, and I rolled the duct tape around the bumper and the chin spoiler to hold it in place where I wanted. Once you do that, I started all the way with the left, and I'm making my way all the way down till the end. All right, guys, essentially after that, what you do is you kind of look at the front, make sure it's coming along good. You pick your drilling spot, you hold on to it really good with your hand. This is what I do. Might not be the right way. Grab yourself a drill, drill yourself a nice hole, and then you grab yourself the screw that came with your installation hardware, and you screw it into the hole that you just drilled. So that's pretty much how you do it, guys. I'm going to get back down there. I'm going to finish wrapping it around the other side. As you can see, though, there is some excess. I'm going to try to screw that in as well. If I can't, I'm just going to trim it off. But I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's finally done. And there you guys have it. That is a finished product. That is what your Crown Victoria would look like with a Mach 1 Mustang chin spoiler. I would say the difficulty level on this is probably like a 5 out of 10. It's not necessarily hard, but it's just a little bit inconvenient. But man, the looks speak for themselves. Not only in the level of aggression on your Crown Victoria, but oh my god, it just looks freaking badass. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I know it wasn't the best, most instructional, but you get the idea, you get the gist of it. I'll catch you guys on my next Crown Victoria video. Take it easy.